What is up guys, today is 28th of August and today's video is about how you guys can do the Hamster Kombat mini game. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that you just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, I will open up my Hamster Kombat game. So I'm gonna open up my Telegram and then I'm gonna open up my Hamster Kombat. In the Hamster Kombat, I'm just gonna launch it, go to my mini games and then just start to play. As you can see, it is right here. I will go to my playground, go to mini games and then this puzzle game. So how to solve it? Well, solving it is pretty simple. So I'm just gonna click on play. Once you do that, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to move this red one up, this green one on the left, and then this red one down. Now key on the left. Once you have key on the left, bring the red one down, green one on the right, and then you just have to do this. Now here we will put the red one up, green one up, and then this key up. Now we'll just put it up and do something like that. Now we'll just bring this thing once again down. Once you have that, we will move this up, and then what we will do is we will just put the key back and then put this thing up, put this green on the left. Once we do that, we will be able to get this red one down. Now getting this red one down actually doesn't do anything, so we'll just do undo things. Now once we have that, we'll just bring this red one down and then bring these and then bring these up, and there you go, our key is free to go. So that's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.